So good day mga kachings, another blessing na sa tanan. So for today we have two cakes. We have two theme cake for today. We have the Blowy theme cake, which is the flavor is vanilla, and we have the Batman theme cake, which is the choco mais na atong cake atong gamiton ani. So this is the two cakes na atong mo on for today. So let's go. Let's start with our Blue's Clues theme cake. Sorry for my intro kanina kay akong giingon is Blowy theme cake. Sorry, this is a Blue's Clues theme cake, and this is a vanilla chiffon cake with a dimension of 7 inches diameter by 5 inches in height. So ato ra yung gisunutan ng mga reference photo given by our client. So be careful lang kay that's a combination of whipped icing then with a printable toppers and edible toppers. So for the edible toppers, sensitive for attaching no kay sensitive kay icing. So once imo na siyang ibutang diyang area, diha ginin mo na siya ibutang. Dili nimo na siya pwede na matangtang kay mga guba gyud atong icing. Okay rag fondant to fondant kay dili man kay siya motapot once di pa nimo butangan o kanang water or something motapot dito fondant to fondant. So once icing to fondant, so be careful lang double ingat lang gyud when you attach no. So padayon tag decor sa atong cake. And this is it. We're done with our first cake, the Blue's Clues theme cake. And now let's go to our second cake, which is the Batman theme cake. And this is a choco maize cake. The same size. This is 7 inches diameter by 5 inches in height, and all are printables. Aside sa front nung names sa itong gibutang kay that's fondant. That's made of fondant. So naratay mga moldihan sa itong glass. So sayo na paghimo. For the client's photo, atong gisundan is all black iyang name. So kay di man kay maklaro. So atong gibutangan og yellow. Kita na lang naghimo ang idea para maklaro gyud ang names. That's the result no kay klaro kay iyang name. So padayon ta. And this is it. We're done with our two beautiful cakes. So thank you for watching, and again,